How many tabs do you have open right in your browser? Are you paying for a funnel builder like ClickFunnels, and an email autoresponder like MailChimp, and a separate CRM to keep track of your leads, and another tool like Calendly just to book appointments? It's exhausting, and it's expensive. This is the exact problem GoHighLevel was built to solve. It's an all-in-one platform designed to replace all of those tools. In this crash course, I'm going to guide you click by click through the most important features you need to know as a beginner. And I'll be honest with you, the platform can look overwhelming at first. That steep learning curve people talk about is real. But by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to get started.
The best way to learn this platform is to follow along with me. So I want you to click the first link in the description to start your 14-day free trial. That is my affiliate link, which just means if you decide to sign up after the trial, you'll be supporting this channel at no extra cost to you. It allows me to keep making these free tutorials for you. Got your trial open? Okay, once you've clicked that link, you'll be on the 14-day free trial page. Go ahead and click the button to start your trial. This is where you'll fill in your standard business details, your name, your company name, email, and phone number. After that, you're going to land on the most important choice you'll make, the starter plan or the unlimited plan. Let me make this simple for you. You'll see 3 plans, but for a beginner, you're really just deciding between the first 2. The starter plan is $97 a month. The good feature is that it gives you all the core features we're about to cover. You get the CRM, the funnel builder, the email automations, and the calendar. It's perfect for a single business. You get 3 sub-accounts, so you can easily run your main business and even a couple of side projects. The bad feature is that you are limited to those sub-accounts. You can't run a full agency on it, and you don't get the HighLevel desktop app. Then there's the unlimited plan at $297 a month. The good here is one word: unlimited. You get unlimited sub-accounts. This is the plan for marketing agencies. You can manage 5, 10, or 100 clients for that one flat price. You also get the HighLevel desktop app, so your clients see your brand, not GoHighLevel's. The bad feature is just the price. If you are a single coach, consultant, or small business, you simply do not need this yet. So here's my honest advice. If you are a single small business, a coach, or a consultant, the starter plan is all you need. If you are a marketing agency and you already have 5 or more clients, go straight to the unlimited plan. The value is a no-brainer, and it's built for you. For this tutorial, either plan will work perfectly.
All right, when you first log into your trial, you're going to land on a dashboard that looks something like this. This is your agency view. This is the key concept that confuses most beginners, so let's get it clear. Your agency view is your command center. It's where you manage all of your accounts. Think of it like this. The agency view is the apartment building, but you don't live in the main lobby. You live in an apartment. In GoHighLevel, that apartment is called a sub-account. A sub-account is the actual workspace for one business. It's where all the funnels, the emails, the contacts, and the automations for that one business are stored. This is why you chose your plan. If you're on the starter plan, you get a few sub-accounts. If you're on the unlimited plan, you get unlimited sub-accounts. So, your first step, even for your own business, is to click into your first sub-account. For this tutorial, we are going to be working almost entirely inside this sub-account view. On the left-hand side, you'll see your main menu: dashboard, conversations, calendars, contacts, sites, and automations. But before we get into any of the fun stuff, there is one critical step every new user must do, or nothing else will work.
Okay, now that we're inside our sub-account, the very first place you need to go is the Settings tab at the bottom left. Don't get overwhelmed by all the options in here. We only need to do 3 things to get 90% of the value. First, under Integrations, you'll see where to connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. This is essential for the booking system to work. Just follow the steps to sign in, and GoHighLevel will be able to read your availability and add new appointments. Second, you'll see Domains. This is how you connect your own custom domain, like yourwebsite.com. This makes your funnels and pages look professional. You'll just follow the instructions to add a CNAME e-record in your domain provider. Third, and this is the most important one, you need to set up your phone and email. Look for a section called Phone Numbers. This is where you'll get your lead connector phone number, or LC phone. This is the dedicated number you'll use to send and receive text messages and make calls from the platform. You just pick an area code and add a number to your account. Now, this is the first place I want to be 100% transparent with you. To send emails and texts, GoHighLevel uses a pay-as-you-go system. which is separate from your subscription. But this is actually a good thing. Instead of paying for a big, expensive bundle, you're paying fractions of a cent per text or per email. It's incredibly cheap and means you're only paying for what you actually use.
Now let's go back to the main menu and click on the Conversations tab. This, in my opinion, is one of the most powerful features. This is your unified inbox. Think about it. Right now, you probably get messages on email, on Facebook, on Instagram DMs, and on Google Business Chat. They're all in different apps. The unified inbox brings all of those, plus your SMS text messages, into one single feed for each contact. You can respond to an email, then a text, then an Instagram DM, all from this one screen without switching apps. This is how you stop leads from slipping through the cracks. But where do these conversations live? Click on the Contacts tab right below it. This is your CRM, or Customer Relationship Manager. It replaces tools like HubSpot, or even a messy spreadsheet. When a new lead comes in, they get added as a contact here. Let's click on one. Inside the contact record, you can see everything. You can see their entire conversation history, any notes you've added, and any appointments they've booked. You can also see every single page of your website they've visited, and every email they've ever opened. This is how you manage your leads. Now, let's go back to the main menu and click on the Sites tab. This is the part that gets a lot of people excited. If you are paying $97 a month or more for a tool like ClickFunnels, you can cancel it. This is GoHighLevel's built-in funnel and website builder. From this page, you can just click on New Funnel to start. GoHighLevel has a huge template library, so you don't have to build from scratch. You can find a template for a lead magnet, a webinar, or a sales page, and just load it into your account. Let's open the editor. As you can see, it's a simple drag and drop builder. You can click on any text to change it. You can drag in new elements like headlines, buttons, and videos. But the most important element is the form. This is how you capture lead information, like their name, email, and phone number. You just create a form and add it to your page. This is how you get leads into your CRM. But a form is just a form. The real magic happens when we automate what happens after someone fills it out. Let's go back to the main menu and click on the Automations tab. This is where the real magic happens. This feature is what replaces tools like Zapier, ActiveCampaign, or Keep. It's a simple if this then that system for your entire business. Let's build a simple workflow right now so you can see the power. First, we'll click Create Workflow and start from scratch. Every workflow starts with a trigger. This is the if this part. Our trigger will be form submitted. Now, we add a filter to tell the system which form. Click Add Filter, choose Form Is, and then select the name of the form we just put on our funnel page. See how it's all connected? Now we add our actions. This is the then that part. Click the plus sign to add your first action. Let's choose Add Tag. We'll type in New Lead. Now that contact is tagged in our CRM. Click the plus sign again. This time choose Send Email. We can literally type out the email right here that says, "Thanks for downloading. Here is your guide." Click the plus sign one more time. Let's add Send SMS. We'll type out, "Hey, I just sent that guide to your email." Once you're ready, make sure you hit that Publish button and then save. If it's not published, it won't run. And that's it. In about 90 seconds, we've built an automation. Now, when someone fills out our funnel form, the system automatically tags them in the CRM, sends them a welcome email, and sends them a text message. You don't have to do anything. It runs 24/7. You can also use this for that famous missed call text back feature. The trigger is call status. Then, just like our form, you add a filter. You choose the filter call status is and select no answer. The action is send SMS. Sorry I missed your call. How can I help? As you can see, this one platform connects your funnel to your CRM, your email, and your text. So, let's just recap what we did. We just built a system that captures, nurtures, and communicates with leads, all in one tool. You can now see how this one subscription to GoHighLevel really does replace your funnel builder, your email marketing, your CRM, and your scheduler. Yes, it's a big platform, and there are dozens of other features we didn't even touch today. But you don't need to learn all of it at once. Just start with the core features we covered. If you were following along, you now have a real working system ready to get leads. If you were just watching, now it's your turn to take action. If you're ready to get started, click that 14-day free trial link in the description. Try it out, go through the steps in this video, and let me know what you think. Comment down below which feature you will be using first.